The condition of your tires has a great impact on the performance and safety of your Ferrari. Acceleration, handling, cornering, and braking can all be adversely affected by tires in poor condition, with incorrect tire pressure and general lack of maintenance. Here are a few things to consider when thinking about proper tire maintenance. Tread wear is an important factor in assessing the condition of your tires. Less tread means less grip, and a simple rule of thumb is to conduct the penny test. Place a penny into the tire treads with Lincoln's head upside down facing you. If the top of the tread isn't touching Lincoln's head, you have 2/32 of an inch or less of tire tread remaining. From a legal standpoint, tires are considered unsafe when they reach 2/32 of an inch and should be replaced. The next step is a visual inspection. Look carefully for irregular wear or damage such as cracking, scrapes, cuts, bulging, or punctures. You should inspect both the tread and tire sidewall for all irregularities. This simple task can help prevent damage to your Ferrari and possibly an accident. If any damage is discovered, a replacement is recommended. Finally, the age of your tire. Time, exposure to the elements, lack of use, and harsh chemicals can take a toll on the tire rubber and may result in cracking on the sidewall or dry rot. To determine the age of your tires, refer to the DOT code molded onto the sidewall. The last 4 numbers indicate the week and year the tires were manufactured. The Ferrari service manual recommends replacing tires every 4 years. Tire pressure is another important element of tire maintenance and should be checked regularly, as there are several factors that could lead to a change in pressure. These include temperature, changes in elevation, and the natural permeation of oxygen. Incorrect tire pressure can cause irregular tire wear, reducing tire life. Underinflation may increase drag, leading to decreased fuel efficiency and premature degradation from heat buildup. Newer Ferraris are equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, to help monitor tire pressure. More mature models rely on tire pressure gauges to manually check the pound per square inch, or PSI, in each tire. The recommended tire pressure for each tire is available in the owner's manual or on the door jamb placard. Should you need to inflate your tires, Ferrari of South Bay's service team would be happy to assist you. Alternatively, most gas stations offer a self-serve air station. Alignment and balancing are often overlooked but are a critical part of proper tire maintenance. Improper alignment can be caused by a rogue curb, parking block, or pothole, and may result in unusual road noise, vibrations, or your vehicle pulling to one side. The normal maintenance routine for your Ferrari should include a 4-wheel laser alignment to measure and adjust your wheels so they travel in a straight line. Tire balancing should be conducted regularly or when purchasing new tires to ensure your tires roll evenly. Should you need a more thorough evaluation of the condition of your tires, the Ferrari of South Bay service team is at your disposal to ensure your Ferrari can confidently put the rubber to the road. Feel free to contact us for questions or to schedule a service appointment.